Let's walk through how you can create a coupon code in the SportsCarnival admin. Let's start by going to the top left corner here and visit your admin. On the left-hand side, we will need to find the coupon section. When I drop this down, I have the ability to add. I can view other coupons I've created. But let's start by going to Add Coupon. At the very top, coupon code is what you type in for your customers to be able to actually retrieve the coupon. Whatever you type in here is case sensitive. They will need to make sure that they input the code exactly as you type it. Moving down here, we can input the type. Since I do have a 20% off as my coupon code, it would probably make sense to leave this a % off. If you wanted to make this a dollar amount, you could do that as well. Below that is the value. We will make sure that we match what we've input as the code. 20% is the value, and you can see % off or dollar amount is what this number is going to mean. Total available is just putting a quantity limit on there. We're going to put 10 in this instance, but if you didn't put anything, that means you can use this coupon as much as you'd like. And now below that, we will go here into the description where we will just describe what this coupon is. Knowing this is just an example, we are going to describe this as 20% off for the month of February. All I have to do now is click submit, and it's going to take me to page 2 where I have some more options. From total available at 10, below that we have the minimum reservation duration. Think of this as your 60, your 90, and your 120-minute products, your 1 hour, your 1.5, and your 2-hour products. If you put a limitation on this, maybe 120 minutes, 2-hour limit, this coupon's only good for a 2-hour long experience. At minimum, they have to book something for 2 hours. So we'll leave that there. Below that is a days of the week that this is good for. You can leave it blank and there won't be any restrictions, but if you select options here, you will be able to make sure that these coupons are good for certain days of the week. If you want to be very specific about it, maybe you're trying to bring in business during middle of the week, make a coupon that's good for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to draw in people. Below that is a date restrictions. So we can put a start date and an end date. In this example, we're doing a whole February coupon. So maybe I would choose a start and an end date at the beginning and the end of the month. We also have the ability to restrict time. If you want to put a time restriction, you can put the start, and then you can also put the end time as well. And then finally, if there's a very specific day that this can be used, you can go ahead in here and put a specific date and punch it in, and it will make sure that it expires on that date. The last part is the description, which we've already done. Now we will just go ahead and save form. Now that we have the coupon created, let's go into the front of the customer's experience and see what this looks like for them. So they'll go in here and they'll input 2, and then they'll choose the date that they want. And remember, this coupon was good for 120 minutes, so the 2-hour limit. If I put 1 hour and I choose the time frame and I go down here, I input the code exactly as it's been written. I will verify code, and it's going to alert me that this is good for a minimum of 120 minutes. So the customer needs to go back. They'll input 2, they'll put in the date they want to visit, and they'll now actually pick the 2-hour limit, choose the time, and then they'll input the code here, and they will verify the code. And now we can see this as a line item. We can see the product, we can see the discount, taxes associated with it. It worked because it was 120 minutes. We fill out the rest of the credit card information. We agree to terms, customer makes the reservation. Are you okay with it? And now, just to verify that this coupon was actually used and accounted for, let's go back into the admin and let's take a look at our coupons. And then we're going to view and edit the coupons. We had a total available of 10. 1 has been claimed. That was the one we just showed as an example. Note, your codes here are in alphabetical order. So if you name something, you don't see it at the top, you likely might need to go to a different page and just remember how you named it alphabetically.